Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabina and this is week 3 of the 6 items challenge with Labour Behind the Label. This week I'd like to talk to you about a campaign that is live on the Labour Behind the Label website. It's about Matalan. And the campaign is Matalan Stop Stealing from Families. During the pandemic, over 1,000 women who made clothes for Matalan were fired and then robbed of their legally owned bonuses and unpaid wages. Matalan workers' families have been waiting for over 1.5 years to be paid what they are owed. 1,200 clothing factory workers in Cambodia lost their jobs in July 2020 when Violet Apparel factory, owned by the parent company Ramatex, suddenly closed. In response, the workers demanded compensation as well as their legally owned bonuses and unpaid wages. Matalan was one of Violet Apparel's biggest buyers. They have continued to profit throughout the pandemic, yet are failing to take responsibility for paying the workers who make their clothes. Their families are paying the cost. Matalan must stop stealing from families and ensure workers receive the money that they are owed. This is a statement from Chantion, union leader at Violet Apparel. When I heard that Violet closed, I felt like I lost everything I had ever thought possible. It's hard to get money for my child's schooling or pay the bank or for medical treatment when my family is sick. I would highly encourage everybody watching to support this petition and to make sure that the Cambodian workers at Violet Apparel receive their unpaid bonuses and wages. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video very soon. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.